In this video, I will share with you how to cancel your T Mobile AutoPay. If you want to cancel your AutoPay, follow me on this video. So friends, all you have to do, open your account in T Mobile by logging your account. And then all you have to do, guys, when you log in your account from your all information, you will see this page. You on the top right corner, top right corner, you will see this page, this setting. Click the setting. From the setting, click on manage autopay. When you click manage autopay, you have all access to cancel your autopay or delete or change your payments through this option, manage autopay. If you don't cancel this option, autopay, all you have to do, you can contact the support team through a different option here. You have this mobile number. You can reach the support by different things by this phone number. Call this one. You can contact the speed support here. You have internet callers here, this number. You can contact through TTY, this number. Services available for people are deaf, hard, or speech display. You have also contact option. For example, you have chat option, AI assistant. I want to cancel my autopay. This is also option. You can through here help you to cancel your autopay. So guys, you have different option actually to cancel your, just go to your page auto management or page. This is the page. You can through this page cancel your autopay. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video. You can set up your manage autopay and then you can cancel through this option.